cube root, the cube root is
Yeah. What is cube root?
like the cube
If
root of
2 cube is equal to 8, so what is the cube root of 8?
2.
2. That means cube root means we have to find that which number have we multiplied thrice so as to get this particular number. Right, then I gave you homework to learn the cubes. Have you learned all the cubes from 1 to 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the cube of 8.
Ma'am, the cube of 8 is 512.
Okay, 512. Very good. Next, we came to finding the units place. That is very simple. Then patterns of cubes. Okay, what were the patterns that we studied? Tell me the first pattern.
First pattern is like adding consecutive numbers to get the cube. Consecutive odd numbers to get the cube.
Okay, consecutive odd numbers, we get the cube of the particular number. Very good. Then the next pattern. What was the next pattern?
Ma'am, when we do a number, like basically if you're taking a number like 4 cube minus 5 cube, we had to do basically we had to, 1 will always be in the starting, and then we had to multiply these two numbers which are supposed to be subtracted. So 1 plus, and as I said, 1 plus 4 into 5 into 3.
Okay, very good. Then we came to the third pattern. What was the third pattern?
And third pattern is third pattern is 4. So basically, if you want to get 4, we have to do 2 into 2. So in the cube wise, if we have to do, so one pattern easy method is, since we put 4 equals to 2 into 2, so just put a cube above all the numbers.
Okay, very good. So that was the third pattern. Good as one. So then we studied finding that if a given number is a perfect cube or not by the prime factorization method. It was quite similar to the one we studied for square and square roots. Similarly,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
for cube roots. So now today we shall be studying the smallest multiple of a number.
Ma'am, in my syllabus, the chapter data handling has been completed.
What are you saying?
Ma'am, data handling has been completed in my syllabus and they started a new chapter.
Okay, fine. So let's first complete this lesson and then we'll move ahead to the next lesson. Okay. Now we have finding multiple, smallest multiple of a cube. How will we do this thing? Okay, like we studied for square and square root. Similarly, we will be studying the same thing for the cube and cube roots as well. Okay, like you have a question that is 392 a perfect cube or not? And if
No,
it is not a perfect, okay, how come no?
ma'am, because 7 cube is only 343. So of course it can't be a perfect cube.
Very good, Aswan. You could have learning the cubes from 1 to 10 enables you to directly solve the question without even doing the prime factorization. Very good. So now 392, you know that it is not a perfect cube. So if it is not a perfect cube, you have to find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. What will you do?
Basically, should we take the smallest number that is a perfect cube?
No, you have to find the smallest number by which this particular number shall be multiplied, and the answer should be a perfect cube. Okay. The same thing that we
And for that, we have to do division method.
there is no division method for cubes.
Oh,
We will use the factorization method only. Just find the factors of the number and just multiply with the factor which does not form a cube. Okay. Try to find the factorization. See, when we do the factorization of 392, what do I get? I get 2, again 2, and 7 finally. Okay. 1. So now I get 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Right? So when I
yes, ma'am.
take such numbers,
7 does not have a cube.
Yeah, the seven does not have a cube. I only have three numbers for two. I does not have one more number for seven to form a cube. So I will multiply with seven. So even this number, if I multiply with seven, the answer shall be a perfect cube. Okay.
Okay, so it's that easy.
Yeah, it's very simple. I told you before only that cube and cube roots is going to be a very simple chapter now. Why? Because you have already given so much time to square and square roots.
I mean, square roots also is same, like how to find the multiple, like same only.
Yeah, it is the same procedure only.
What about for division?
The division method is only for square roots. It is not for cube roots.
No, no, I'm asking like if they are asking like the
Yeah,
multiple, the
yeah.
small.
Just wait. Let's first practice few questions of multiplication, and then we'll move ahead to division. Okay? Don't worry. Now, okay. Let's consider. Okay. See, Aswan, for division, you shall not be given this question. If they want to ask a question like, what number should the number be should be divided? Aswan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please put on your camera and mic. If the question comes that by which number this given number should be divided so that you get a perfect cube, this number shall not be given. A number will be given where like you have 53240. Okay, when you find the factors of 53240, we have then you have okay, 11 1. Okay. As well for 53240, you have 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 5. So if the question comes, by which number should this particular number be divided so that you get a perfect group? See, you
Five.
have two, you have a group of 11 as well, but you have a single 5 left alone. If this 5 is removed from you, we will have 2 into 11 as 22. 22 shall be the number on cubing, which we will get a perfect cube number, and that will be my answer. So I can eliminate 5. And how will I eliminate 5? I will just divide the number with 5. Okay, so when we divide 53240 with 5, we will get our answer. Clear?
Uh,
Okay, please just give me a minute, Aswan. I'll be right back. Okay. Aswan, do you hear me?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we have the next question. The next question is like, is 1188 a perfect cube or not? First of all, you have to find like, is 1188 a perfect cube or not? And if not, then you have to find a number by which it should be divided. Okay, so that
Okay.
you get a perfect cube. Please solve this question. Aswan, have you done?
No, ma'am, almost.
Yeah, please do it quickly. Next one.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Aswan, what is your answer?
Ma'am, so when I did prime factorization,
Yeah.
uh, I got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7.
2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay.
So since there are two numbers that doesn't have a that doesn't have three together, so we had to multiply 3 and 7.
Are you sure, Aswan, you're getting this for 1188? 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look here. 1188. Right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First you do by 2. 2 into 3. Okay, 3. So I get you should get this as your answer.
Oh, I did a mistake.
Please, Aswan, be careful while solving questions. Here you
So now
have
you have to do 2 into 11.
no. See, you have only one pair,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
You have 2 and 11 which are left alone. So you need
Yeah.
to eliminate these numbers because it is written divide. So you'll divide by 2 into 2 into 11, which is 44. So you have to divide by 44 to get a
Yes, ma'am.
perfect cube number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now you have the next question. First of all, you have to find is 68600. Please do this very carefully, Asman. I'm giving you one more question only because you have made a mistake. Please do this
Okay, ma'am.
carefully. 68600. First, you have to find is the number a perfect square or not, and then you have to tell me with what number should you multiply it to make it a perfect cube.
Okay.
Please do it. Hassan, have you done?
No,
Hassan, please look here. It's taking a lot of time. 68600. How do you prime factorize it?
ma'am, 2.
First of all, you're going to
2,
get 2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
3
3,
double.
0, 0. Then 2 again. 1, 7, 1, 5, 0. 2, 8, 5, 7, 5.
Yeah, then
5.
not 3.
This one 3.
No, Hassan, 5
No,
only.
no, sorry, my mistake. 5. 5.
Now, okay, not 3.
3.
Why 3? No, not 3. 7.
Um,
Okay, so you are going to multiply the number with 5.
yes, ma'am.
You have one pair of 2 and you have one pair of 7.
No, sorry.
5 is left behind.
Yes, ma'am.
So multiply it with 5 so that you get your answer. Okay.
Okay.
Aswan, you need to practice questions so that you can increase your speed.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to teach you cube roots. Okay. How do we
Yeah.
find cube roots? So, like for example, you have been given find the cube root of 8,000. Right. So what you will do in order to find the cube root, we will just do prime factorization. Okay, what do you get? You have pairs of one pair, you have second pair, and you have the third pair. So you just take these numbers out You will get 2 into 2 into 5. What do you get? 20.
20. So
Root
20 square is equals to 8,000.
is 20.
Okay.
Okay. Can you do such questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you're required to find the prime factorization of the cube root of 13824.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the answer.
Tell me your answer.
Ma'am, so 13824, we get 2 into 2 into 2 into.
Just tell me the answer directly. Then I'll do the solving part myself.
Yeah, wait, ma'am. 13824 is not a perfect square,
It's not a perfect square. Okay, let's check.
not a perfect cube, my mistake.
First by 2.
6912. Now 108. It is a.
Ashwin, are you getting this answer?
No, ma'am.
Where did you made a mistake?
I mean 216.
What is your answer?
Ma'am, when I did 216, I got 107.
No. How come 107? Not possible at all. 2 into 7 is 16. 2 into 7 is 14. Just make pairs. One pair, two pair, third, and fourth. So your answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You can write 24. That means
And that means 24 is the 24 1 Q13824 is equals to 24.
first one you need to work on your calculations a lot.
Okay.
Do these questions. I'm writing a few questions here. Please do them. The first one is root 64. The second one is root 512. The third one is root 10648. The fourth one is root 13824. first one. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am, but I had little doubt in the third one.
Okay, no problem. Let's start discussing. What is the answer for first one?
My first one is 4.
Very good. Second one?
Ma'am, second one is ma'am, second one is 8.
8. Okay. Then the third one you have doubt. Okay, 10648. Let's check. First by 2, then by 2 again, then by 2 again. Okay, now 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. So not by 3. Check for 7.
Okay,
Okay, not by 7 as well. Check by 11. Okay, by 11 it goes.
yes, ma'am, by
So, okay, you'll get your answer as 22.
okay, ma'am.
You get 22. Okay, what about 13824? What will be your
Ma'am,
answer?
24. 24.
24.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 24. Let's check. 13824. Okay, you have 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 24 is the correct answer, son. Very good. Very nice. Okay, now I have a very interesting question here. We have, like, consider there is a cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid, and they are saying that the dimension of this cuboid is, the length is 5 centimeter, the height is 2 centimeter, and the breadth is also 2 centimeter. Now they are saying that if you stack these cuboid in such a manner that you have various number of, that you have a cube being formed, like you stack one cuboid, then another, then up on above the cuboids one more cuboid, that you have to stack them in such a way that you get a cube. Okay, so now you have to tell that how many cuboids will you need to make a cube. You understand this? You have to
Ma'am.
stack these cuboids, like you see. Let's consider you have one cuboid. Then you place one more cuboid below it. This is one cuboid. Then you place one more cuboid, one more cuboid, one more cuboid. So you have to form a cube of all the
Okay,
cuboids. Okay, now do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they are asking that how many cuboids will be needed to form a cube. See, now what we are going to do, there is a method for solving such type of questions. Okay, this is a fixed pattern of question which can be asked. How many cuboids should be stacked in order to form a cube? See, you have 5 into 2 into 2. Okay, so now if we consider this number, just do one thing. Okay, try to make this number a perfect cube. So what will I do? I will have to multiply with 2 5s and 1 2. Okay, now it will be a perfect cube. So with what extra number am I multiplying?
5.
No, what is the extra number with which I'm multiplying?
So number is 2.
5 into 5 into 2, what is the number? What will this number become,
Oh,
Aswan?
5 into 5, 25. 25 into 2.
What will be my answer?
Ma'am, 50.
Okay, that means you need 50 cuboids. 50, no, 5 in, okay, 25, 50, okay. You'll get 50 cuboids will be needed to form a perfect cube. Okay, just remember this. If such type of question comes, just make the whatever dimension is given to you, note that dimension and try to make that dimension a perfect cube. Okay, and just check with what extra numbers are you multiplying, and whatever the answer is for the extra numbers, that will be your answer. Okay, if I change the dimension, if I write like the dimension of the cuboid is 7 into 7 into 3, then with what number I should, how many cuboids are needed? So what will I do? I will just try to make this number a perfect cube. How will I do
Yes,
this? I will multiply with 3 into 7.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
just check what is my answer for this number. I have 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 7 is 63. That means I
Yes,
need
ma'am.
3 cuboids. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that is how we will solve such questions. Right now, Aswan,
Ma'am, but 50 is not a perfect cube, right?
what are you saying?
Ma'am, 50 is not a perfect cube.
Aswan, please repeat.
Ma'am, 50 is not a perfect cube.
My question was not to find a perfect cube. My question was, how many cuboids should I stack to form a cube?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, cuboid and cube are two different figures. So how many cuboids must I stack to form a perfect cube? Okay,
50.
yeah, so 50 cuboids are needed. And how did I get that number 50? I checked the dimension of the cuboid. I tried to make that
And added an
dimension as
extra
a
number.
perfect cube, and I just multiplied the extra numbers and I just got my answer. There is a this set of question is only solved in this manner only. So just please remember how to solve this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very important. Now, Aswan, this chapter is completed today only because there is nothing more in this chapter. Okay, just
Yes,
practice. I'll be posting a few questions on cube roots and cubes. I posted one assignment previously as well, I think. Did you see that
yes,
assignment?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. What, ma'am?
have you solved that assignment?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but in that you will not teach the cuboid question, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, in that assignment, you will not teach the cuboid question.
Yeah, I haven't. I will be posting the assignment today, which will be having certain questions. So please do them. And from next class onwards, we are going to start with the next chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We decided for the next chapter. What was the next chapter?
Data handling.
Data handling. Okay. So we decided on data handling. Give me a minute. Okay. Here is our syllabus. So we've done cube and cube roots. Now we have to do data handling. Fine. We will be doing data handling from the next class onwards, and quickly after doing data handling we'll be doing quadrilaterals, rational numbers, no, we'll be doing linear equations, and then after linear equations we'll go to rational numbers and quadrilaterals. Okay,
Okay.
good. So now, Aswan, do you have any doubts regarding today's session?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now you can leave the session. We shall be continuing in the next one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so when you post the next assignment, I had to submit it before the next class.
Yeah, please possibly submit it before the next class, because I shall always also be posting an assessment in a day or two. Okay,
Assessment about square and square roots, right?